Hey traders, are you making $100,000 a day? Why not? Everybody else is. That's just not the case. You see this time and time again. I'm going to give you an example of a recent trader I saw by the name of Ross Cameron. He's an excellent trader, don't get me wrong, but there's a lot of people in that room that try to follow him. He's got a lot of experience, he comes in with a lot of depth, a lot of knowledge, chasing momentum stocks, and the day that I saw him on YouTube, that particular day, I followed his chat channel. The amount of people that I saw that blew up their accounts that day was incredible. Not everybody, just there was 2 or 3 that said, day out, blew up my account, thanks for the training and education, but apparently this is not for me. Guys, is that the way you want to live your life? Trading on a hope, trading momentum stocks, trying to follow someone that's making 50,000 a day, 100, even 200,000 a day at times? Guys, if that were true, I would be doing that, right? My name is Jeff Yates with Full Throttle Traders. What we do is take a very tactical approach to risk management, define risk, and showing new traders how to find repeatable patterns every day. You define the risk, you can make the same money. We're just trading in something that's a lot more predictable in the environment that the market's given us. Here's a quick example. Define your risk. Right? If you don't know what your amount of loss is per trade, whether you're brand new or you've been doing this for 25 years like me, then you've missed step 1, right? You're never going to get to the level that you want to have unless you understand your defined risk. Whether it be $1 million or $10, you need to define that. We do this day in and day out. Quality, high probability patterns. Now you can trade news in biotech stocks and momentum, trade 10, 20,000 shares, end up like I told you, or you can look for high probability stocks in the market in general. Remember, the footprints of money determine the future direction of the stock. We find those footprints, we act on them, and the outcome is predictable and risk manage it to the target. Live to trade, live to trade another day. And that's where a lot of people don't. They go in with high hopes, they make a lot, they give it all back, or worse, they don't even get started. They get in following someone, they don't have risk management, they're adding 500 shares to a particular trade, and at the end of the day the market pulls back, particularly in some of these biotech type stocks that run like that. When they come back, they have a high beta, so they'll run $10, $20 in a $10 stock, but they'll pull back 30, right? You got to be very careful. And finally, repeatable setups every day. We focus on day trading stocks, equities, in day trading repeatable patterns, either from gaps or maybe setups that come off the daily charts using certain moving averages, finding those repeatable setups where the odds are in your favor. You can work your way up from $100 risk to $1,000 to $10,000 risk. The same. Repeatable patterns is the key that you can rinse and repeat day in and day out. And also we work into options, credit spreads, trading the XSP, and we have some set it and forget it plays where you just kind of get in, let it go. At the end of the day, it is what it is. We do very well with a variety of different plays, not only stock, equities, options, credit spreads, and also hands-off plays. We do very well just in general with our team. Lots of training, development, education. So in 5 years from right now, you can become that trader. 3 years from right now, a year from right now, you can become that trader you hope to be and be able to do this confidently from your home and not sweat that, that back and forth, is this going to work for me or not. Follow what works. Follow the footprints of money. Follow technical patterns, right? Work your way up the channels, be successful, and you'll do wonderfully well. The outcome is predictable at the end. See you in the room.